Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about the importance you must read and thoroughly understand all the terms and conditions of policy contract before signing it. If there is anything you do not understand, get clarity from your insurance agent or directly from the insurance company and truly satisfied that you have understood all aspects of your policy. You should especially look out for what will be covered, under what circumstances, and procedure for making claims follows policyholder duties and rights. As an insurance policyholder, you have certain duties and rights as under policyholder's duty. Provide all required information truthfully. Do not misstate or make false declaration. Complete the proposal form and nominate the beneficiary. Meet all documentary requirements at the time of taking out insurance policy. Make claim in accordance with policy provisions and follow the claim process and complete all documentary requirements for making claim. Choose the insurance product you want from the insurance company of your choice. Do not be influenced by the aggressive sales tactics. Obtain quotes from the multiple insurance company before making final insurance purchase decision. Add the riders to your policy at any time and get additional coverage. Refuse to accept anything contrary to policy document provision. Shift your investment between various unit linked fund attached with a unit linked insurance policy, keeping in view your investment and risk appetite. Ask for any valid benefit stipulated in insurance policy document. Ask the insurance company to act in accordance with written terms and conditions of the policy. Lodge complaint with a designated dispute resolution forum regarding maladministration of the insurance company or its representative or agent, and surrender the cash value policy at any time and obtain underlying amount of the insurance policy. How to make a claim. It is a notification to an company requesting payment of an amount due to under the terms of the policy. This is the right of the policyholder. In the case of the death of the policyholder, the claim can be filed by nominee as agreed upon at the time of the insurance of policy. There are certain guidelines outlined by the company that has to be met when filing a claim. Here are some important points you should note. The policyholder should obtain the contact details of the claims department of insurance company at the time of buying the policy, and it should educate the beneficiary of the policy about the benefits of which he or she is entitled on the occurrence of the death or other events. In the case of the non-death claim, the policyholder has to contact the claims department of the insurance company as soon as the loss is incurred. In the event of the death of the insured, the nominee of the policy has to make the claim. If the certain time limit for making claim is specified, the policy terms and conditions is bound to make claim within that specified time limit. If you have any query regarding that, you can ask me. Thank you so much.